sky is overshadowed with darkness, no shadow, no hurt, His love carries thy Lord and we perish. How can I lie and see when each moment so much is trembling and craving and greedy? Their wings and their wings shall be thy will. Peace, be still. Whether they rough of the storm, the sea, or struggle or evil, whatever it be, no water can swallow the ships where lies the master of ocean and air and sky. The ocean sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace. The ocean sweetly obey thy will. Peace, peace, be still. Master, the terror is over. The elements sweetly rest. It sounds in the countless mirrors and heavily beat my breast. Linger, O blessed Redeemer, leave me alone no more, and with joy usher me the blessed heart and grace of the blessed for sure. Their wings and their way shall be thy will. Peace, be still. Whether the wrath of the storm, to sea, or struggles or evil, whatever it be, no water can swallow the sea where lies the master of ocean and earth and sky. The ocean sweetly obey